Samsung just dropped a strategic bombshell that could completely overshadow Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 reveal. And here's why tech enthusiasts are calling it the most calculated move of 2025. Mark your calendars for what might be the year's most pivotal tech showdown. Samsung has strategically scheduled their Galaxy Unpacked September edition for September 4th, 2025, positioning it mere days ahead of Apple's highly anticipated iPhone 17 unveiling. This isn't just coincidence, it's corporate warfare at its finest. But here's where it gets controversial. Is Samsung deliberately trying to steal Apple's thunder? Or are they confident enough in their innovations to go head-to-head? The timing alone has industry analysts buzzing with speculation. If you're planning to tune in, the action kicks off at 3 p.m. IST on September 4th. Samsung is making it easy for everyone to witness this potential game-changer. You can stream the entire event through their official website or YouTube channel. Pro tip: registering on Samsung's website gets you exclusive updates and reminders, so you won't miss a single announcement. Now, let's dive into the 5 groundbreaking reveals that could redefine the tech landscape. And this is the part most people are completely overlooking. First up, the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite is stepping into the ring as Samsung's officially confirmed heavyweight contender. Think of it as Samsung's answer to affordable premium computing. This device packs the Exynos 1380 chipset under the hood, driving a crisp 10.9-inch display that refreshes at a smooth 90 Hz using TFT technology. What makes this interesting? It ships with the latest Android 15 and One UI 7 combination, offers up to 6 GB of RAM, and includes 128 GB of expandable storage. The real kicker? An impressive 8,000 mAh battery that should keep you going all day, complete with S Pen functionality and IP42 protection against the elements. But wait, there's more brewing in Samsung's tablet laboratory. Industry insiders are whispering about the Galaxy Tab S11 and Tab S11 Ultra making surprise appearances. These flagship powerhouses are rumored to sport 11-inch and 14.6-inch AMOLED displays respectively, both pushing 120 Hz refresh rates that'll make everything buttery smooth. Here's where things get spicy. Reports suggest Samsung might be ditching their usual chipset approach and opting for the MediaTek 9400 Plus processor instead. Storage options could reach up to 1 terabyte. That's laptop-level capacity in a tablet form factor. The smartphone segment isn't being left behind either. Enter the Galaxy S25 FE 5G. Samsung's strategic move to democratize flagship experiences. This fan edition device is designed to bridge the gap between premium features and accessible pricing. But here's the controversial question. Are we witnessing the death of truly affordable smartphones as even budget-friendly options pack flagship specs? Expect a generous 6.7-inch AMOLED display running at 120 Hz, because apparently anything less than buttery smooth scrolling is unacceptable in 2025. The Exynos 2400 processor paired with 8 GB RAM should handle everything you throw at it, while the 4,900 mAh battery supports 45-watt fast charging, because nobody has time for slow power-ups anymore. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the triple camera system featuring a 50-megapixel main shooter, 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom capabilities. Here's what's really got the tech world divided. Samsung's aggressive push into AI-integrated tablets. Their teasers heavily emphasize premium AI tablets, suggesting Galaxy AI capabilities will be more deeply embedded than ever before. This could revolutionize productivity, multitasking, and entertainment experiences across their tablet lineup. But are we ready for AI to become this integrated into our daily computing experiences? Some argue it's innovation. Others call it unnecessary complexity, and this is the part most people miss. Samsung is reportedly shipping the Galaxy S25 FE 5G with Android 16-based One UI 8. This isn't just another incremental update. We're talking about potentially smoother performance, enhanced AI integration, and expanded customization options that could set new standards across Samsung's entire ecosystem. The September Galaxy Unpacked event is shaping up to be Samsung's most comprehensive showcase before the holiday shopping frenzy begins. With tablets, smartphones, and revolutionary software updates all on the agenda, Samsung is clearly positioning itself as the alternative to Apple's ecosystem. But is this strategy bold enough to convert iPhone loyalists? What do you think about Samsung's timing strategy? Are they being smart by launching just before Apple's event? Or does this move seem desperate to steal attention? And more importantly, do you believe AI integration in tablets and phones is the future we actually want? Or are we being pushed toward unnecessary complexity? Share your thoughts. Are you Team Samsung or Team Apple when it comes to this September showdown?